Ekta Hinduja and a big warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a very nice and interesting engaging activity box. It's called For Little Makers, and the box that I am going to be showing you is about the bugs and insects and a lot more education about them. They have got a different activities, like 7 to 8 activities that have been given inside a box, and how each day you can do something or the other with your little ones. So let's get started. Hi guys, so I was talking about this box. It's called a critter box, and this is for little makers, which says make your own magic. It says turn the sleeve cover over for a surprise big hunt. This is the phone number that they have given. This is the email you can get in touch with, and that's their Instagram handle, which says For Little Makers. So this is our little critter box, which Ayan received as his birthday gift. So I'm going to show you what is there, but he doesn't know what is there.
I know.
You know? Should we open?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Wow! What do we have here? So we have, as spoken, we have this. Wait, we'll go one by one.
We
Peach.
have this also.
Yeah, that's a hula hoop activity.
We have.
So this actually says spider web toss. So this is one activity. Next we have is this another packet which says what a bright spark.
And
Then we have a sensory bin for little makers. It has got quite a lot of things inside. Ooh, I can see some insects. Can you see?
yeah.
Are you excited to scare people?
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing one of
do
this.
open.
Wait, let's see. No, what a peach. Let's open everything. Then we have, so this is entirely based on a bug life.
See what I have.
We're just going to
See what
discard this.
I have in my hand.
Then it says a big hunt. We've got some crayons. And it says straight shank glass. Okay, that's one other activity. Then we have be there for you. This activity requires, okay, so this is actually a baking activity. Homemade by love, sinfully whipped. So wow, we have one activity to make food. Then we've been given some Fevicol. We have Mini Beast Mania. Okay, this looks like a card game. We have this. And then the last thing that we have is bugs on the block. So this is what we are doing today, so that we can show you what actually is there inside. So which one do you want to open first?
This.
Okay, so should we put this back so that they don't get spoiled? Need to open this. So this came in a box like this, and when you open it, there is sensory bug rescue. This is not actually sand, but something that you use for your plants, like a very dry sand. Then we have Tiranga caterpillar, again in a pouch that's come. Then we have few
Guys,
very big elastic rubber bands or resistant band, but very chotu ones. And then we have these. We have a plucker. We have wood. We have caterpillar. We have dragonfly, my favorite. We have a grasshopper. And this is a buzzy bee, cutie. Ew, cockroach. Then we have this mosquito. Ew, fly. Ew, cockroach. Then we have wood piece. Can you see the wood piece, Ayan?
see,
Then
but
we
we
have
have
these
it.
things.
Yuck.
And oh, so what I am guessing is
See this? Yuck.
yeah, Scorpio. So these things that they have given is what we have to do in this. So there's an instruction given here, and we are going to read what it says. So this is called a cocoa peat soil. What we have to do is we have to take a container which they have already provided you with, and you have to put water inside. You have to put water inside and put this thing inside. This will fluff up, and whatever is the excess water, you need to throw it and discard it. Now whatever activities they have given you, from rubber band to the log to the insects and everything, you just have to put them inside and dig it, and then later with the help of a tweezer that they have also given you, you have to remove the insect, and the child has to find what insect it is, and it has to read from the flashcards given here. So these are the flashcards that they have given you. Now what interesting is this, it says caterpillar and it says how much can a caterpillar eat, how do they climb plants, and next there is a very different color card which are the answers. It says a caterpillar can eat up to 1000 times its weight in a day. The tiny hooks on their feet help them to climb the plants. So we have like this quite a lot of few flashcards, and that's how they are going to learn and get it interesting. So we have immersed this in water, and I don't know if you can see, but this is growing in its size. So excess water, we just drain it up, just leave it. Putting everything inside, let's put them and let's hide them. Come on, put. One of the interesting ways to include the sensory activities for your little ones, and not to forget the fact that they haven't stepped out for a really long time. So as you see, super busy. Is it good fun?
Yeah. What does that mean?
Dust off the matti, na? Like whatever matti is there, dust it. Ew, who's that? Who's that? Who's he?
Bee.
Should we find, is that a bee or something else? Or is that a buzzy bee?
Buzzy bee.
Yeah, I also am learning insects with you. So that's not caterpillar, that's not a ladybug. Is it this guy? No. This guy? No. Is it cricket? So I hope you saw the box, and I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I did while doing that bug activity with him. It was, to be very honest, it was a little creepy, but that's what we did as kids, going in the sand, going in the mud and doing all these activities. Go ahead on their Instagram page and order yourself. I will be putting the link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and totally worth it. So do that, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next one. Take care, stay safe, stay hydrated, and lots of love. Bye bye.